Hello Digibyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. What's going on in the DGB coin? In this video, I'm talking about the big mistake of holders doing it this time, my friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. And you know what? I also share the urgent alert news with all of you, my friends, in this video. So keep watch this video complete for better understanding, my friends. Anyways, my friends, first of all, before starting this video, I request all of you that please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So you know what, my friends, at this time, if we talk about the price changes, so the last 1 week, last 24 hours, I mean last 1 day, changes occurs in the DGB coin is negative. The latest last 1 week and last 1 day changes of the DGB coin is negative. So if these changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. And you know what, my friends, when a lot of people see this kind of changes, so they decide to sell. Due to this reason, they decide to sell DGB coin, my friends, and that is the big mistake of holders, my friends. You know what, my friends, that is the cryptocurrencies market. In a cryptocurrencies, not only jumps occur. Sometimes the price pumps, sometimes the price jump. So you have to hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell. Just hold. I really recommend for all of you, my friends, that please hold DGB coin. I also predicated the Digibyte that they have to take a jump in the July, my friends. You know what, after fast there is a jump, and the DGB coin is completely fast down from the last 1 month, my friends. So absolutely they have to take a jump. Why you're going to decide to sell, my friends? Don't decide to say it's time to hold, it's time to make a profit with the DGB coin, my friends. So be alert and don't decide to sell. Be safe from loss. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about DGB coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates. Subscribe.